When people see my images, they would describe them as certainly bright, bold, colourful, and different. And that's exactly what I want them to think. My name's Hicks. I'm originally from the south end of England, from a place called Cornwall, but I've been based just outside of London for the last 10 years now. See, the usual story is, my dad gave me a camera and all that, but it's, yeah, I mean, he did, and I used his camera. It was an old Olympus OM1. I still got it to this day, and I think took great pictures, but I wasn't really passionate about it. It wasn't until, I suppose academically, I failed everything spectacularly. I had plans to go away and do courses and that sort of thing in the UK, and yeah, just didn't get the grades for whatever reason at that age. So I was left with very few choices. So we're talking about 16, when I was 16, and choosing the next path. And my parents were keen for me to stay in education and that sort of thing. So there was very few options open to me apart from an art foundation course that they just brought out. And during that course, fell in love with shooting really, and in the dark room and learning film and taking shots. And the tutor at the time was phenomenal. Yeah, he was so encouraging of just being a bit more creative with it. He was a young guy, surfer dude, really laid back, but he's just really encouraging of just doing things differently, not necessarily doing things right all the time. And that just fueled me. Yeah, just being able to finally being able to do my own thing for a change rather than being regimented all the time. So yeah, that's how I really got into it, fell into it really. That was the only thing that I sort of loved from then on. It was probably at that college, when I was that sort of 17 to 18-year-old in the dark room, just playing with, basically just playing with chemicals, and we would just we just lay stuff on photographic paper and put sand on it and all sorts of different shapes and shine light through it and then do things with different chemicals. I just loved that sort of creative process straight away. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and then it's such a huge subject to, and I'm sure other subjects are, but photographically for me, there's just so much you can possibly do, and even all these years later, I'm still learning stuff pretty much, every day. I think the whole process of being different became